Hopefully everyone is fit and fine and doing well. So today I am going to make my last video on lower back issues. So do these exercises at home and make yourself fit and strong, and like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos. So I am going to do first exercise. For first exercise, I am going to use stick for thrusters. You need to hold stick like this. Look at me carefully on your lower back and move like this. Okay, do this exercise for 30 seconds. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Next one, Superman hold. You are going to do Superman hold like this. Place pillows or cushions under your belly like this. Capture my full body. And hold like this. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Next one, same posture, and you are going to move your legs like this. Hold position like this. Do 10 reps and do 3 rounds. Next one. Next one. Hold your position like this. Cross your leg like this. Arm like this. And do like this. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Then change your side. Cross your leg like this. Hold your posture like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do 10 reps on your each side. Next one. Next one is hold like this and move like this. Look at me carefully what I am going to do. 1 and 2. Then change your leg. Try to touch your thigh like this. Okay, next one is this exercise or alternative like this. You are going to move like this. Do this workout at home, and in the end I will stretch some lower back exercises. So first exercise, First stretching. Stand straight and move like this. Hold for 5 seconds. Next one, lay down like this. Place your foot like this and move like this. Then move like this. Both sides. You are going to push on your left and your right. Next one, move like this. Then like this. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Next one, you are going to move like this. Next one, you are going to move like this. Next one, lay down or like this. You can also switch and hold. Switch and hold. Okay, that's all from my side, and hopefully you are going to do these exercises at home and going to make your lower back fit and strong. And in the end, eat healthy, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Thank you.